It is given that the transverse wave along a string is given by the equation y is equal to 2 sine 2 pi into 3t minus x plus pi divided by 4, where x and y are in centimeters and t is in seconds. The acceleration of particle located at x is equal to 4 centimeter at time is equal to 1 second s. So this is, if you are just comparing it with the general equation, that is a sine omega t. So if you are multiplying this 2 pi inside, so we can take it as 6 pi t minus 2 pi x, that is same as like omega t minus kx plus 5 by 4, which is representing the initial phase of it. So y is equal to 4 sine 2 pi 6 pi t minus 2 pi x plus pi by 4 is the equation. So we can write the value of its amplitude of oscillation is going to be 2, and the value of omega is going to be 6 pi, and the value of k is going to be 2 pi, and the value of initial phase is going to be pi divided by 4. Question RM is to find out the value of acceleration of particle. Acceleration of a particle in similar, here when a wave is propagating, each and every particle are in similar harmonic motion. So RM is to find out the value of acceleration of one particle over there. The acceleration is basically minus of omega square into x, and the value of omega we got it as 6 pi. Now we know the value of displacement of particle. Now just remember that in the equation the value of x is written for a displacement of wave, not the displacement of particle, and over here according to the equation the displacement of particle is basically y. So the equation for acceleration is minus of omega square into displacement of particle, not the displacement of wave. The displacement of particle is represented by y. So we can find out what about the value of y, what about the value of this y when, according to the given question, when the value of x is equal to 4. So we can write it is 2 into sine of 2 pi into the value of time is given as 1 second, so 3 into 1 minus x is basically given as 4 plus pi divided by 4. So we will get it as something like this. This is 2 into sine of 2 pi into minus 1, that is basically minus 2 pi plus pi divided by 4. So we can write this is going to be 2 into sine of minus 7 pi divided by 4, which is equal to minus of 2 into sine 7 pi by 4, because sine minus theta is minus sine theta. So this is like 2 into sine of 7 pi by 4 means it is around sine 315 degree, or we can write this as 2 into sine of 360 minus 45. So this we can take it as it is 2 in equal to minus 1 divided by root 2. So this we can take it as something but root 2. So we can find out the value of this acceleration, that is minus of omega square. The value of omega is given as 6 pi. So omega square, that is 36 pi square into y, which is equal to root 2. So you can write the final answer is going to be minus 36 root 2 into pi square. So according to the option, we can say that this third option is correct, that is minus 36 root 2 into pi square.